Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to the video for the last comment share this video because it's amazing. Bro, today I have a new update for iPhone 12 Pro Max. Can you see this? Look at this phone. This is 2020 phone. Do you believe it? Wow. Look at how it look like. Wow. It look beautiful right now. Damn, but I have a new update here. This update here is iOS 17.5. I need to download this. Look at that face. Look at how it look like. Can you see this one? Wow, this phone still beautiful. Let's see what I have on my internet storage. Memory, I have 44 gigabyte. Can you see it? Yes. And available RAM, look at that. Damn. Okay, no problem. Now I need to update this phone right now. It's very important. Update now. I need to enter my bypass code. Now let me do this. Don't forget to like, comment, share because this is very, very cool. So I want to update this phone right now. Okay, I did test it, and as you can see by yourself, about 6 minutes to download this new update. 5 minutes now. Okay, cool. So we need to wait. We need to wait for that. Okay, no problem. So wait a minute. As you can see, bro, downloading finish. Now you can see preparing update. So you need to wait. What about this new update? You can see everything here in front of you. Can you see this? Everything, every new update you see here. Okay, cool. Now downloading finish, preparing for update, no problem. You need to wait a minute. Boom! Oh, look at this guy. Beautiful. Okay. Wait again a minute. Okay. It take a little time in real life. So let's check my new wife. My new and beautiful girl. Wow, look at that. This is a beautiful girl. What do you think? Yes. Another one. Another one. Can you see this girl? This is beautiful. This is Latina. Sexy Latina. Okay. And this car. Do you like it? Damn. What do you prefer? A car or a guy? What do you prefer between both? Below? Tell me in the commentary space. And I like it. Yeah. And we downloading, finish, preparing update. Wait again. Damn. Why Apple? Okay. Verifying update. Okay. Now it's done. Oh, I think that update process started. But you can see nothing. Oh, look at that. Okay, Apple logo is back. Nice. Okay, cool. Now you need to wait for that. Wait again. Make sure that you charge your phone. You need 55% to do this. Okay, nice. Dun 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 dun. What? Chinese? Or what? I don't talk this. China, China, China. Bro, look at that. Different languages here in front of me. What can I do now? You can see something here. What? Sweep up to unlock. Hello. Hi, hi, hi. Bonjour. This is French. And hello. English. Okay, okay. Hello. España. Spanish. Un pulben. This is hola. This is Spanish also. Italian. Ciao. This is Italian. Italian. Just amazing. I love it. I love it. Okay, cool. Now, I need my passcode again. Let me do this, bro. Let me do this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. You can also support our channel with future super things. Now, look at what you can see here. Can you see something? Software update completed. Your iPhone has been updated to iOS 17.5. Okay, you can see continue. So I click on continue like that to access to my phone. I think so. What? No, I have a message here. Can you see something? Okay. iPhone analytics. Okay. Share with Apple app developers. I don't know. What can I do? What can I do? Why not? Welcome to iPhone. What do you think? You can see sweep up to get started. So this is like a new phone you bought and you need to set up. This is what about my battery? I have 52% of battery. Okay, cool. Now I'm ready to sweep up like that. Woo! Very amazing. Yes. Wow. Look at that. This is just cool. What do you think? Now let's go on general software update and let's check BIM. Can you see this? iOS 17.5 is here. Yes, amazing, cool, I love it. Okay, no problem. Now, let's see something special. Battery life, battery Earth, and okay, see battery Earth here. 77% after 3 years. I bought this phone on 2021. This is 2020 phone, but I bought this on 2021. It was new and at this time. Now, after 3 years, I have 77% of battery. Is it good or not? I recommend you to use the original charger to charge your phone with also original cable, but it coming with his box. Now this on phone is updated, is up to date. So let's see memory. This is what you have. Oh, I have more space now. Can you see this? Now, I recommend you to restart your phone. Just turn off this phone. Sweep to power off. Turn off this phone. As you can see, I have also a case, a beautiful case. Now, I want to put this case here on my iPhone. Okay, it's better now. And it smile. Now, turn on. As you can see, I have glass screen protector on this screen. This is amazing. Okay, after all of this, welcome back to my phone with this amazing and beautiful car. I love it. Okay, let me enter my passcode again. And welcome back to your phone, to your iPhone. Now it's done. Oh, it's look very smooth now. Very smooth. Fine ever. Can you see this? Do you imagine? Not bad. Okay. And the 64 memory. And look at what you have now. Nice. Okay. Cool. What about camera? Can you imagine with iPhone when you're recording video, you can't click on pause, pause and resume option not exist. Can you imagine? You need absolutely to download a premium camera to have this. For example, I downloaded this camera Pro Cam 8 to have this feature. As you can see here, can you see this? Pause and resume. But the problem is that sometimes this camera application not working very well. You lose so much important videos. This is why I don't use this every day. Can you see this? This is why I don't like it. Wow. This is why I still using iPhone camera. So Apple, please do something. I want pause and resume. Yeah. Yes. Pause and resume here. This is very important for me. This is very important for use. Can you imagine? Apple, why? This is a feature that you can see on every Samsung phone, bro. But why Apple? Why? I don't know. Have you seen this? Do you want to see this also? Tell me everything in the commentary space. Okay? Because I need this. Honestly. As you can see, the test is here. Everything look very great. You can see what? Look at what? Oh, disappear. Oh, he reappear again. Damn. For example, let's test this guy. Yes. Can you see this? Do it. Okay. No problem. But it was not here, bro. Damn. Look at that again. Okay, cool. And welcome back to this amazing supercar. Yes, yes, and wow, it's so beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Damn, I like it. I love it. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and get ready for more videos. God bless you. Lock screen, boom. Amazing. Wow, beautiful.